Hello and welcome to AI Bootcamp for Independent Agents. I'm Manny Barbosa and I'm excited to guide you through how to enable AI as a powerful ally in your agency. Over the course of this series, we'll explore how this technology is reshaping the insurance business, and more importantly, how you can use it to work smarter, save time, and deliver even better service to your clients. But before we get into how AI can help you, let's start with some basics. So what exactly is AI? In simple terms, it's a computer system that can do things that normally require human intelligence, like understanding language, spotting patterns, and learning from experience. And it's not new. AI has been around since the 1950s, but it's the recent advances that have really changed the game. AI comes in a few different flavors too. There's machine learning, for example, which helps systems learn from data, like fraud detection software. And there's natural language processing, which understands and generates human language. A special type of AI that's been making waves recently is generative AI. This technology can create new content, whether it's writing text, generating images, or even composing music. You're probably familiar with tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Microsoft Copilot. These are just some examples of generative AI. Now, you don't need a degree in computer science to understand how AI works or to use it effectively. Simply put, AI learns by studying patterns in data. If you show it millions of examples, let's say photos of cars, it eventually learns what makes a car a car. And when it comes to tools like ChatGPT, it's been trained on billions of words from books, articles, and websites. So it's learned how people naturally write and communicate. So if you ask it to write a renewal reminder email to a client, it predicts what kind of message usually follows those words, and it generates it instantly. Think of it as a very fast, tireless assistant that's great at drafting content, finding information, and handling repetitive or data-heavy tasks, freeing you up to focus on the things only you can do, like building relationships and providing great service. The key to remember is that AI is here to empower you. I'm looking forward to exploring AI more and going on this exciting journey with you. And we've got a lot to cover, so let's get AI Bootcamp started, and we'll see you in our first session.